Welcome back to my channel, and that's your friend Lipstick Nerd. And today I'm gonna show you one thing which has not been requested, and it is something which I wanted to do. So before I get started, I just want to tell you that today I'm gonna show you what's in my makeup bag. And I've got this bag from the Bolsa store, and this kind of bag helps me also when I'm traveling, and so I prefer using a sushi mushi kind of a pouch bag rather than going for a sturdy box kind of a bag. So I'm not gonna show you in an arranged order, but I'm gonna show you as it comes first. So let's get started. This is my bag, what it looks inside. It's like heavily stuffed. So the first thing I have is a cotton swab. Then comes Garnier micellar water. That's in the oil infused Garnier micellar water, again for a cleaning purpose. Then I have rose water. Helps me in setting up my makeup, as well as it works as a toner as well. Some Q-tips to clean up the excess. Then I always carry a face wash, a tinsy minty kind of a face wash. This one is from Clean and Clear. But I have a comb. Girls need it. Next up is my nail paint remover. This one is from HD Nail Paint Remover. I have is Nivea whitening deodorant. Underarm cream, because I don't use deodorants, perfumes or any kind of that sorts. So I carry this roll-on, and this works perfectly. It's a whitening cream for underarms, and it gets a big thumbs up from my side. And up next I have Maybelline's Blushed Nudes palette. This palette is my go-to palette right now, because this palette serves me with the all kind of colors, and comes with this applicator. So I generally carry 2 of my brushes and work with this one. Another Maybelline Quad palette. This helps me in getting me golden shimmery kind of color. I'm in need of like something blingy. I go for this palette. Up next I have my Maybelline Super Fresh Compact Powder. I'm in the shade Marble. So this is it. Up next I have my Colossal Kajal, which is again from Maybelline, and it's a super black Colossal Kajal. So I use this one. And then for liner I have 2 options. Both of them are from Maybelline. One is their felt tip liner, which looks like this, and the other one is Maybelline Eye Studio liner. When I'm in a hurry, then I use the felt tip one, and when I have the plenty of time to accurate and get the perfect winged liner, then I use the Maybelline gel. Then I have my Fit Me foundation, because this is the perfect beginner's foundation. It has a medium coverage and feels really light. It does not feel like that you have applied a foundation. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Up next I have Lakme Absolute Blur Primer. Primer is a must. And mirror. This mirror is from Vega, and I got this mirror in one of the kits. One side it has got the normal mirror, and the other side it has got the focusing mirror. So I have this blush from Bharat and Doris, and it's a very kind of corally blush, and you can use it as eyeshadow as well. And I kind of like the pop of the orange and peachy color on my face, so I use this blush to get that. And next I have a nail paint. This glittery chunky nail paint, which is from Glamcom. One of the most important things is my SPF. So I use Neutrogena Ultra Sheer. Is 50 plus SPF, which protects me from the sun and also moisturizes. Up next I have Fit Me concealer in the shade medium, and this concealer is one of the best concealers, giving the best coverage. If you're a beginner also, you can give it a try on this concealer. You will definitely love it. I'm almost about to finish it off, and I need to order it again. The next thing I have in my bag is something when I don't feel like using foundation. So I go for this Pond's BB cream or Lakme CC cream. Lakme CC cream, I'm already done with the Lakme CC cream, so I have thrown away the tube, and I'm currently using a BB cream. Most of the times I don't use foundation but use only BB cream because foundations are heavy. Oh, so next I have is my hoop earrings. Banana clip, some safety pins, a tweezer, a nail clipper, a mini beauty blender which is really very dirty. I need to clean this up. This one is from Pack Cosmetics, but this is inexpensive compared to the bigger size, and when you dampen it up it turns up to this big, so I don't think you need a bigger beauty blender. So the next thing I have is Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. Generally I carry this one with myself. Some more safety pins. I have something which needs to be used for prepping up your lips, so I have Vaseline and lip balm. This one is from Joy Skin Fruits lip balm in the flavor raspberry. When I don't feel like using a lipstick, I go for that, but generally I use Vaseline. Vaseline is a multi-purpose product, so it works as a highlighter as well. It gives you the sheen, glow, and it also helps me in preparing up my lips, and also it moisturizes your skin, so you can use it everywhere you want. Then I have all this stuff, good stuff. So I have a lot of lipsticks, and these 6 or 7 lipsticks are the lipstick I really carry to every place. You will find lipstick in my bag, each bag, college bag, makeup bag, travel bag, toiletry bag. You can find lipsticks everywhere. So these 7 lipsticks are my love. Then I have a color bar lipstick in the shade Peach Glow when I don't feel like wearing a darker shade. So I have two from NYX in the shade Addis Ababa and Canis. NYX Canis. This is again kind of a similar color to the color bar, but this is a matte color and it's about to finish. Here's the swatch for Addis Ababa and Canis. 3 of Maybelline's lipstick, one of the Gigi Hadid collection, one of their color sensationals, and one in the shade Bold Loaded. So I have the Nykaa Pout Perfect lip crayon in the shade Nude Me Not 05. I'll swatch it for you. So this is Nykaa Pout Perfect, Maybelline's Gigi Hadid collections lipstick, one of the Gigi Hadid collection lipstick in the shade Tora. I love this color. I am currently obsessed with this color, and I love how they have created a holographic print over here. I've got this swatch in the shade Tora. I have Maybelline's Color Sensational lipstick in the shade Flaming Fuchsia. I love this pink color. It works great as a blush. So that is it. And the last one is Maybelline's Bold Loaded. It is in the shade Blackest Berry, and here's the swatch for it. So that was it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye, take care, see you next week, bye.